Here's the word of the day. It is pronounced epithet. Look at the IPA symbols. The stress is on the first syllable. Now listen and repeat after me. Epithet. Great job! What does it mean? Epithet is a noun. It means a word or phrase used to describe a person, often as a nickname or title that points to a particular quality. For example, Alexander III of Macedon, better known as Alexander the Great, was famous for his epithet, the Great. The Great is a famous historical epithet that emphasizes his greatness and achievements as a military leader and conqueror. Now, let's look at a more modern example. A famous modern epithet is the King of Pop, and it belongs to, you're right, Michael Jackson. In simple English, an epithet is a descriptive nickname or title
where racial epithets were deemed immaterial.
Slur or repeated a racial epithet.
What about you? If you had an epithet, a nickname or title that described you, what would it be? Tell me your epithet in the comments below.